This is When the Roll is Called Up Yonder in the key of C, written by James Milton Black. And as always, you can stop the video, click on the description, and I have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. All right, let's get into it. This is a really simple way to play this song. There's just a few chords, C, F, G, and then we have a D chord. So in the key of C, you normally have C, F, G, and typically you don't have a D chord, but in this song they throw it in there. So here you go. Here's a C chord, C, E, G. Then they jump to an F chord, F, A, C. Then you'll have a D chord, which is a triangle shape, D, F sharp, A. Makes this triangle. And then your G chord, G, B, D. Okay, so review, we have a C chord, F, D, and G. All right, so in the left hand, we're gonna play thumb on C. You can line up your 5 fingers and then you don't really have to move this hand the whole song, except for we're gonna open up for our D note, okay? So we're gonna play single C with our C chord. Then we're gonna play F to F in the bass. Then when we play that D, you'll just swing your thumb open here to this D note with your D triangle, and then G, G in the bass. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, the rhythm that we're gonna do to bring the 2 hands together is together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You could practice that on the F chord, just that nice marching rhythm, D chord, and G chord. Okay, let's add in some vocals on the verse 1, and then you'll know what I mean here. And verse 1, 2, and 3 are gonna repeat themselves, so there's nothing new there. All right, so let's start on that C chord. When the trumpet of the Lord shall sound, and then we move to the F chord. Time shall be no C chord more. In the morning break, C, D, turn all bright, and G, fair. When the C, saved of earth, shall gather over F on the other C, and the roll is called up G, yonder I'll be there. And we're gonna end on that C chord. Okay, let's walk into that chorus. When the roll is called up yonder, when the G roll is called up yonder, when the C roll is called up F chord, yonder, when the C chord roll is called up G, I'll be C. Okay, I'm gonna go through verse 2 just so we can have a little bit of repetitive, I guess you could say repetition. Verse 2 goes, on that bright and cloudless morning when the F, dead in Christ shall see, and the glory of his, here you can pick up that D up here, resurrection, G, share, when his C shall so gather to their F, home beyond the skies, and the roll is called up G, yonder I'll be there. It's a really easy marching rhythm there. Then you go back and swoop back into the chorus. When the roll is called up yonder, when the roll is called up yonder, when the roll is called up F, when the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there. All right, I'm gonna play it beginning to end. Follow along with me. Go back to the beginning if you need a little help, and I think you can do this. All right, let's go.